Okay, morning, happy Wednesday. I am awake, I am dressed to go on my run. I've made myself quite a big coffee. I don't know if I'm going to finish this all, to be honest. I'll probably get a stitch. Yeah, I'm going to go on a run. It does look cold outside, but I might leave my jacket at home. And then I need to come home, I'm going to shower and get ready, and I'll tell you what we've got planned for today. Hi, I'm Izzy. I'm a third year journalism, communications and politics student. Okay, all ready. Got a bit more smart casual today because I do have the student staff panel at the School of Journalism, Media and Culture, or JOMEC. I'll probably refer to the school as JOMEC a lot. In a nutshell, it's basically an hour a week where the staff of JOMEC and the student representative team, like myself, we all meet up and we basically talk about good things going on in the school, maybe not so good things that we could change that we've heard from student feedback. So it's very collaborative and it makes sure that the students have a really good experience. Just before though, I do have a lecture, my first lecture for today. So this is my typical walk to uni. I always walk past the Student Centre for Life and the SU and also the main building across the road. I have a new favourite place to get my morning coffee before my lectures, which is Quantum. Then I just take a little slip road down and I come out by the UK Government Building and BBC Wales, which is conveniently right next door to JOMEC, so it's perfect. So I've just walked into JOMEC, going to my first lecture, and then I've got the student staff panel meeting. My first lecture is done. Very interesting. We spoke about the intersections of different identities of nationalism in the media. Okay, student staff panel meeting and lecture complete. Very successful meeting. All of the questions I had were answered, and there's a lot of exciting things in the work for JOMEC. My lecture, very, very interesting. We spoke a lot about the Orient and portrayals of the other in film and media. I'm now on the way to meet my friend for some lunch. Okay, fully dark outside, I'm home. I am now getting ready for socials. So I'm in JOMEC Netball Society. There's also a JOMEC Football Society and a JOMEC Society in general. I both play for a team and obviously go to socials. The theme tonight is dynamic duos. Me and my friend Sam have a really good outfit, so we'll show you that when she's here. We're both going to finish getting ready together, and then we will bring you to socials. This is my outfit currently. I'm very aware of how I look, but tonight's theme is dynamic duos. I'm just waiting for Sam, my other half, my duo, to get here. We're ready for our socials.
Good night, mate.
Steve Owen.
Yep.
David Attenborough.
Yeah,
Who's
correct.
excited?
Okay, we've made it to socials. Vulcan is very busy, but we are ready for a good night out.
Ready and roaring!
We'll see you in the SU.
I have since lost my voice, but that is my full day as a student at the School of Journalism, Media and Culture. I really hope that you enjoyed accompanying me and seeing what it's like, and hopefully it gave you a good little insight to show you what it's like being in JOMEC.